Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant sense of peace, as if the very air was welcoming you? Or entered a space that felt inexplicably heavy, making you feel restless and drained? For many, the term Feng Shui brings to mind superstition, a confusing mix of lucky charms and mystical rules. But that is not the true path. That is not the Tao of Feng Shui. At its heart, Feng Shui is not about magic. It is an ancient art of observation. The art of seeing your home not as a collection of objects, but as a living, breathing ecosystem. Imagine the life force of the universe as a gentle river. A healthy home allows this river to flow smoothly, nourishing everything in its path. But a cluttered or poorly arranged home creates dams, causing the energy to stagnate. Feng Shui, then, is the art of aligning our lives with this natural current. It's about understanding that we are a part of nature, not separate from it. And by creating harmony in our homes, we create harmony within ourselves. In this series, we will explore this path together. Welcome to Feng Shui 101.